using the Ninja DoubleStack basket for the past week or so now, as we recently got our hands on it. So I just wanted to go through my experience, what I like and to me what I don't really like about it. Now the first thing that I've noticed is it doesn't really cook very evenly, and I found that even though the baskets are quite big and there's a lot of room in them, you do have to shake them quite a lot, especially with larger portions. But one thing that I do like about it is the fact that it comes with these separation trays. So it's a really handy feature if you want to cook multiple different types of food. Because there's a separation tray in each basket, you can cook 4 different types instead of 2 if you had a normal dual basket air fryer. As well as that, what I also like is the fact that it comes with a sync cook feature and a match cook, so you can match each basket so you don't have to redo the settings again, or you can sync them. So if you've got one finishing in 10 minutes and one at 20, then they'll both finish at the same time and you don't have to worry about cold food. And another bonus is if you're short on kitchen counter space, and this is definitely a better option than a dual basket air fryer.